If you've ever tried cooking for a big family or hosting guests and realized halfway through that your pot just isn't big enough, you know how quickly things get stressful. Suddenly, you're juggling multiple batches, uneven cooking, and way more cleanup than you planned for. That's exactly the kind of problem the Autucu slow cooker 10 quart is built to solve. This is a large capacity slow cooker designed for families, gatherings, and anyone who wants to cook once and be done. It's not trying to be fancy or overly technical. It's focused on making big, slow-cooked meals simple and manageable. At first glance, it looks like a classic slow cooker, but slightly more refined. The size is the first thing that stands out. This is a true 10-quart unit, and it feels like it. It's wide, deep, and clearly built for larger portions. The exterior has a clean, understated look that won't clash with most kitchens, and the handles are sturdy enough to feel safe when you're moving a full pot. The removable inner pot is where things get interesting. It uses a ceramic coating that feels smooth and solid, not thin or fragile. In practical terms, that means less sticking and easier cleanup after cooking heavier meals like stews or sauces. It also gives you a bit more peace of mind if you're trying to avoid certain non-stick chemicals, since it's PFOA-free. What really adds to the usability is the oven-safe design. You can take the pot out of the base and put it directly into the oven if needed, which isn't something every slow cooker offers. In real life, that means you can finish a dish with a bit of browning or keep it warm without transferring everything into another dish. It's a small shift, but it cuts down on extra steps and extra cleanup. Using it day to day is about as straightforward as it gets. There's a simple 3-level dial with warm, low, and high settings. No screens, no complicated programming. You turn it on, set it, and let it do its thing. For slow cooking, that simplicity actually works in its favor. You don't need to babysit it or constantly adjust settings. It's designed for long, steady cooking. In terms of performance, it does what a slow cooker should do, and it does it consistently. On low, it gently cooks food over several hours, perfect for tougher cuts of meat that need time to break down. On high, it speeds things up without sacrificing too much tenderness. The heat distribution feels even, so you're not dealing with burnt edges and undercooked centers. The keep warm function is especially useful if you're cooking for a group. Once the food is ready, it holds the temperature without overcooking, so people can serve themselves over time without everything drying out. That's ideal for gatherings, where timing isn't always perfect. Cleaning is also relatively easy, thanks to the non-stick ceramic surface. Most of the time, a quick soak and rinse is enough. It's not completely effort-free, especially with larger meals, but it's far less frustrating than scrubbing a traditional pot. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The size, while a major advantage for large meals, can be a downside if you're cooking for 1 or 2 people. It takes up a fair amount of counter and storage space, so it's not the most practical option for smaller kitchens. It's also pretty basic in terms of features. If you're looking for programmable timers or smart controls, you won't find them here. Compared to other slow cookers in this range, the Autucu stands out mainly for its capacity and oven-safe flexibility. Many similarly priced models offer digital controls and timers, but they often come with smaller pots or less durable coatings. On the other hand, premium models might include more advanced features, but they usually cost significantly more without dramatically improving the core cooking experience. So who is this really for? If you regularly cook for a large family, host gatherings, or like prepping big batches of food at a time, this makes a lot of sense. It simplifies the process and reduces the need for multiple pots. But if you mostly cook smaller portions or want more precise control over cooking times, a smaller or more advanced model might be a better fit. At the end of the day, this slow cooker focuses on what matters most: capacity, simplicity, and reliability. It's not trying to reinvent slow cooking. It's just making it easier to handle bigger meals without extra hassle. If you want to check the latest price or see if it fits your cooking style, you'll find a link in the description. And if this helped you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more honest, practical reviews like this.